there are two companies, ABC company and BCD company. Yes or no? In that, which one is going to be the transferor company? Which one is going to be the transferee company? ABC company is purchasing the BCD company. ABC company is purchasing the BCD company. Yes, put into the chat box fast. I need answers. These are the major, these are the basic things which you should know about these things. ABC company is purchasing the BCD company. ABC company is purchasing the BCD company. Then which company is going to be the transferor company? Which one is going to be the transferee company? I'm not getting the answers in the chat box. Yes, Madhav, correct. BCD is transferor company. BCD is transferor company. Okay, ABC is transferee company. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ತಗೊಳತೈತಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳತೈತಿ ABC. Okay, BCD ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತೈತಿ transferor company. ಯಾವ್ದು transferor company. Then ABC is taking over the BCD company. Then ABC has to pay something amount to something purchase amount ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, something purchase consideration should be paid. Yes or no? If the ABC company is purchasing the BCD company, okay, there are the shareholders of the BCD company. Shareholders irtara. Shareholders are the owners of that company. Then they should get something. Get something. That is called as purchase consideration. Yes or no? That is called as purchase consideration. Yes or no? Okay. Then this purchase consideration will be in so many forms. Okay, there are types of paying the purchase consideration. Nodrele, if the ABC company may pay in the cash only. Cash dogu purchase consideration kodabodu? Yes, kodabodu. Yes or no? And they can pay in the shares. Yes, they can pay in the shares. They can pay in the form of preferential shares. Yes, definitely they can pay in the form of preferential shares. Yes or no? They can pay cash plus shares. Cash plus preferential shares. Cash plus preferential share plus debentures. There are so many possibilities are there. There are so many probabilities are there. Then you can pay the purchase consideration. It may be in any form. ABC ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, BCD ಯಾವುದೇ ಬೇಕಾದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ABC ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಫುಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಅರ್ಧ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ರೋ? Okay. Now we have to, okay, then in the accounting period, in accounting system they have made some types. Okay, methods and madara. Okay, methods of calculations or methods of calculation of purchase consideration. ಈ purchase consideration calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is net payment method. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕ? net payment method. note it down. Barkor idun net payment method. Note it down. Net payment method first name. Okay, then what is the net payment method? Net payment method means, okay, there are two companies, then ABC company and BCD company. The transferee company and the transferee company, they are going to settle down with an amount. One amount again settle one amount. Okay, they are going to settle down with the amount. They are going to determine one amount. Okay, the amount will be 5 crore. Yes, to 5 crore. Okay, this is the 5 crore amount. And if the ABC company is purchasing the BCD company, then ABC company has to give has to give how much? 5 crore rupees. Okay, then this amount can be different classified in so many things. Okay, 5 crore rupees what of course in this case, what in net payment method again ABC company has to give the BCD company, okay, certain amount, certain value. That value is 5 crore rupees. Our value is 5 crore rupees. It may be in the cash, it may be in the shares, it may be in the any combined places. Okay, yavade because combined agirbodu. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, but in net payment method only shares we are going to settle down with the shares value hengpa. One share of BCD company, one share of BCD company, one share of BCD company, yes rupees into 10. This will be the purchase consideration now. Net payment it is basis on the share. Yav basis share basis man. Correct? One the share is yes rupees. Okay. Face value of the BCD company, the face value is to the share in the 5 rupees and yes to shares 10,000 shares. Yes to shares 10,000 shares. Then e 10,000 shares one the share yes to one share ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ one share ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ how you are going to calculate okay of course you want to give the how much rupees ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 5 crore rupees ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು crore ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 5 crore rupees divided by 10,000 rupees then one share ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗಾತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗಾತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 crore rupees 5 crore rupees divided by 10,000. That is not 1 lakh 10,000 sorry 10,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ 5 crore rupees 10 divided by 10,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ how much you are paying to the shareholders 5,000 okay 5,000 rupees ಏನದು this 5,000 per share will be the idenidu purchase consideration 5,000 per share is the purchase consideration okay idu ee ರೀತಿನೂ calculate ಆಗಬಹುದು and one more thing if the BCD company is having 1,000 shares of rupees 5. Okay, purchase consideration ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? Okay, the ABC company is ready to pay. ABC company is ready to pay. Ready to pay. To pay. To pay. Okay, 10 share. 10 shares. 10 share per 1 share of BCD company. Okay, with the value of 20. Then what would be the purchase consideration? ಏನೈತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಲೆ ABC company ready to pay. ABC company ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? The transfer company. Okay, ABC company is ready to pay 10 shares per 1 share. ಎಷ್ಟು shares ಅನ್ನು pay ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು? 10 shares per 1 share of BCD company. BCD company ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ ABC ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರು 10 shares ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ. BCD ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ ABC ಕಂಪನಿದವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ? 10 shares ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪೀಸ್ಗೆ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 20 rupees. ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದವು? 10,000. ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದವು? 1000. ಓಕೆ 1000 shares. ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ? 10. one share ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ? 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 share of BCD now equal to 10 shares of ABC. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 share of BCD equal to 10 shares of ABC company. Yes or no? Put into the chat box. Put into the chat box. ತೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಹೇಳುದು ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು. This is a new example. One more example I am giving you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. BCD ಕಂಪನಿದು 1000 shares ಅದಾವ. BCD ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? 1000 rupees ಅದ 5 per ಅದ. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಇದೇನದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. BCD ಕಂಪನಿದು 1000 shares ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಆಫ್ ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಅದಾವ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ now the BCD company is taking over by the ABC company. ABC company ದವರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡತಾರ. ABC company ದವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದಾರ? ABC company ದವರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ something has to pay to the BCD company. Something has to be paid to the BCD company. BCD company ಏನಾರ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತವರು? what the ABC company is paying 10 shares. 10 shares per share of BCD company. Per share of BCD company. ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, one share of BCD company will get 10 share of ABC company. Are you getting my point? ತಿಳಿತೀಗ? one shareholder of BCD company. One shareholder of BCD company. One shareholder of BCD company will get 10 shares of ABC company limited. Understood? Yes or no? Put into the chat box. Mahadev. ತಿಳಿಲಿಕತ್ತೈತಿ? ಓಕೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ then one ಶೇರಿಗೆ 10 shares ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ 10,000 shares ಅದಾವು. 1000 shares ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ? they are having 1000 shares. then 1000 into 10 into 10 ಎಷ್ಟಾತು? 10,000 ಆತು. 10,000 ಏನಾತಿದು? shares ಬಂದು. then ಎಷ್ಟು rupees value of share is 20. value of share 20. correct? then ಎಷ್ಟಾತು? 10,000 into 20. 10,000 into 20. That is 2 lakh. Yes or no? And this is the net payment method. Net payment method log ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, the purchase consideration is the sum. Purchase consideration is the sum agreed value of shares. Okay, ನೀವು ಏನ್ purchase consideration ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತ್ರಲ್ಲ agreed value of shares. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 rupees ಇತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿನ ಬದಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ನೆಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, instead of 1 shares, how much share you will get, in what value you are going to get, in what value you are going to get, that is considered as net payment method. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, net payment method. Are you getting my point? ತಿಳಿತು? Yes or no? Understood? Okay, then take one problem, take one simple problem now. Barkori, take one simple problem now. Ellaru barkobaka? Okay, barkori. Mr. X Limited takes over the business of Y Limited. Barkor ellaru idna. X Limited takes over the business of Y Limited. Then X Limited and Y Limited. Correct? X Limited is the transferee company. Y Limited, it's a transferor company. Yes or no? Any confusion? Do you have any confusion relating to this? Nothing? Okay. Now, next work. Share capital of Y Limited. Share capital of Y Limited. Y Limited, the share capital. Share capital of Y Limited consists of, share capital of Y Limited consists of 1000 shares. 1000 shares of rupees 100 each. Of rupees 100 each. Barkore, 1000 shares of rupees 100 each. Y Limited share capital consists of 1000 shares of 100 each. Understood? Okay. Limited and the debentures rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. X Limited takes over the business of Y Limited. The share capital of Y Limited consists of 1000 shares of rupees 100 each and the debenture of rupees 50,000. Understood? Then X Limited agreed to issue 12 shares of rupees 10 each. One sharing 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು face value ಅದು. Agreed to issue 12 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium, mat premium ಮೇಲೆ, at a premium of rupees 5 per share of rupees 5 per share of rupees 5 per share in exchange of in exchange of in exchange of every share or in Y Limited. Every share in Y Limited. One Y Limited share one Y Limited share one share 12 shares. Okay, with the face value 10 rupees and also the 5 per premium. 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮತ್ premium ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ ಅಂದ್ರ total 15 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗ. Understood? Understood? And also agreed to pay to discharge debentures. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ದವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾರಲ್ಲ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು 50,000 rupees ಐತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು 50,000 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ now they have asked us to calculate the purchase consideration ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಅವರು purchase consideration ಒಂದು ತಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ purchase consideration is going to payable to whom shareholders only shareholders ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಾತ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಾತ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟ purchase consideration ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಉಳಿಕಿದ purchase consideration ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ understood okay in this problem ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ X limited take over the business of Y limited. The share capital of Y limited is share capital ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ Y limited 1000 shares ಅದಾವು 100 each. The debentures ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 50,000. Debentures ಯಾರು ಇದು debenture share ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ then debentures ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ yes or no share ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ purchase consideration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು what is purchase consideration amount payable to shareholders amount payable to debenture should not be considered as a purchase consideration understood amount payable to shareholders only should be considered as the purchase consideration amount payable to the debenture holders should not be considered as the purchase consideration then X limited ready ada ಏನಂತದ X limited ಏನಂತದ X limited agreed to issue 12 shares okay to 10 each of 10 each 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು ಒಂದು shares issue 12 shares issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ in the exchange of one share ಒಂದು share ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಯಾರು 12 shares okay ಎಷ್ಟು rupees 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ face value 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ premium ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ and they are also agreed to discharge the debentures ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ this is not going to be the part of purchase consideration why if the X limited is paying the debenture holders that should not be considered as the purchase consideration why only amount payable to shareholders that should be considered as the purchase consideration understood Titu pakka okay ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ calculation of purchase consideration okay ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದಾವು ABC ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಾರಿ not ABC X limited ಒಂದದ Y limited okay X limited ದವ್ರು ಏನು ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು 12 shares ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ per one share correct the value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ 10 rupees face value ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ plus 5 rupees premium ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತವ 15 okay then Y limited ಎಷ್ಟು shares ಅದಾವು 1000 shares ಅದಾವು correct Y limited ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು shares 1000 then purchase consideration ಹೆಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ purchase consideration equal to 1000 shares into 12 ಎಷ್ಟದು 12000 shares ಸಿಗ್ತಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ Y limited will get the 12000 shares yes or no Okay, then amount test ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ. Then 1,80,000 will be the purchase consideration. Yes or no? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗ. Put it to the chat box. Put it to the chat box fast. X limited, Y limited. Y limited, the one share equal to X limited 12 shares. Then one share 12 shares ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂದ್ರ they are having 1000 shares. Okay, 1000 shares into 12, that is 12,000 shares will be taken over by the Y shareholders, correct? Then for how much rupees? 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 10 rupees ಅಂತೂ face value ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ. Okay, face value 10 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ. ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ? 10 rupees face value, 5 rupees premium. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾನ? 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 1,80,000 is the purchase consideration. This is called as PC. PC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Purchase consideration. Any confusion, dear students, relating to the purchase consideration? That is net payment method. ಯಾವ payment method ಇದು? Net payment method. ಯಾವ payment method? Net payment method. Sir, only shareholders share ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? No. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲ? ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೀ ಕ್ಯಾಶು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫುಲ್ ಶೇರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ತಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, only whoever the shareholder is getting the purchase consideration, that is called as purchase consideration. Anything amount is received by the shareholders, that is called as purchase consideration. If the debenture holder is getting anything, that should not be considered as